Life in this era is all about systemization. Introducing Atelier Engineering Limited. Integration and solution at one place. Atelier is your ultimate destination for system solutions. We have been delivering excellence, authenticity, and smart engineering into each and every project that we've worked upon. When it comes to quality, intelligence, and compliance of our projects, we rely only on the best. We are proud KNX partners, and for every smart integrated system, we utilize KNX's International Building Control Standard that enables integration and programming of a vast range of products through one single software so that they can function on a single platform. Atelier proudly offers the following services to our valuable clients: system design, engineering service, maintenance service, product sales and support. At Atelier, we provide automation, lighting, professional AV, centralized control systems, and several other customized solutions for residential, commercial, and hospitality industries. Atelier Engineering Limited. We are not only providing the system, we are providing the atmosphere. For further details and queries, get in touch with us today. Give us a call at 852-2145-0355. Email us at info@atelier-hk.com or visit our website www.atelier-hk.com.